Hey Mandi maniacs! Today we will be reviewing QUARANTA brand nougat. We do love nougat. We have never had these flavors before, so I'm really excited to try. They look absolutely delicious. This one is mixed berry. And this one is nougat with exotic fruit. Ooh, they both sound delicious and perfect for springtime. So here they are. This one is, these three are called exotic fruit, and this is the
mixed berry.
The mixed berry.
So I'll try this because it has that fruit and that fruit.
Oh, good job. So you're getting both of them.
Nice texture. The apricot is very good. So is the pineapple. That's very good. Okay. That mixed berry is amazing. Wow. I would recommend both.
They're pretty good.
That one better than the exotic fruit, though.
They're pretty out of this world. So then these two are called the exotic fruit nougat, and then this is mixed berry.
Okay, are they the same?
Yep, these two are the same.
Oh, they came from the same bar, these?
These two came from the same bar, and then these two came from the same bar.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
And what kind of fruit is that supposed to be?
It's just called exotic fruit nougat.
The nougat's good. The nuts are good. But I'm not sure what that fruit was. I'm almost thinking it may be mango.
Interesting.
I'm not sure what kind of fruit that is either. Again, nougat, nuts, good. I don't know if it's apricot or mango or, I don't know, it's hard to tell.
It looks like an apricot, I think.
So I'm not sure. And this one is, that's quite delightful.
That one's the mixed berry.
I like that one. Very fruity. Only drawback on that is the seeds in the fruit.
Oh, it has seeds in it.
Those are a little tough, but it's very fruity. I like that one better than the other.
So would you recommend?
I would. Very good.
So I will try the nougat. This is the exotic fruit one. Definitely looks delicious. I like all the nuts I see in there. That is really good. It tastes very lively, very summery. I like that. Now I will try the mixed berry. It is so pretty. It really is lovely to look at. Oh wow. I would say both are incredible, but this one has so much vibrant flavor. It's out of this world. Probably the best nougat I've ever had. we've tried a lot of nougat, and I would say this one's probably the best. I will say I like QUARANTA brand nougat 1,000 times better than the Queen of Nougat. The Queen of Nougat to me tasted a little bit old. This tastes more like a fresh nougat and more flavor. Definitely, this brand of nougat I would recommend, and I would recommend both of these flavors. The exotic fruit is delicious and summery. The mixed berry brings outstanding, overwhelming flavor, which I love a lot of flavor, so. And the texture is delicious. They both taste like fresh nougat, freshly made nougat, so I would definitely recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Like and follow or subscribe. Go Shitsu Army. Bye.
Bye!